back to the channel. It's time for another review of sorts. I was struggling to think about what I wanted for my lunch today, and then a subscriber pinged me on WhatsApp saying about his little boy likes this and that off the channel and he's just subscribed, and he said then he messaged me again and said, oh, William says you should do chicken mayo with bacon, chocolate shake and a Smarties McFlurry, I think he said. So William Watson, this one's for you. This is what you suggested I should do, and this is what we're doing. Let's see if McDonald's have got my order right. I ordered some fries, but fries. One bacon mayo chicken thing. Fries are the fries. Oh yes, it's a Monopoly thing. Let's see what we got. We got Whitehall again in Whitechapel. Put it with a pile. Mackie D's fries are Mackie D's fries, and doesn't appear to be a lot of seasoning. But on the plus side, they've remembered napkins. Yay! Just forgot to put salt on the fries. And remember the straw for the chocolate shake that young William suggested. Straw. And oh yes, another McDonald's thing. Monopoly thing rather, sorry. And this one we have Leicester Square and a medium Cola, 0 sugar, or a medium shake. Put it in the pile. And William's other suggestion was the Smarties McFlurry, and shockingly the ice cream and milkshake machine was working. Oh, and you get another one of these. Let's see what we've got this time. We have Pentonville or Marylebone Station. Put it with a pile. Put that to the side for my dessert. So I'll probably have one of these a while back. I can't remember when the last time was. As it's come in the wrapper, quite a squashed one. Let's see. Very anemic looking bacon. A few strands of lettuce. Pick up on the generosity there, McDonald's, not. A few little bits on the paper, not many, but presentation ain't good, but we'll give it a go. chicken burger's quite nice, it's pleasant, but that very razor thin slice of anemic looking bacon is quite chewy. Very sparse with the lettuce. I think they've scared the burger with the mayo. Very chewy, that anemic bacon. Just hope it doesn't let's hope it doesn't upset my stomach. This is probably undercooked. But the chicken burger is quite nice. Oh, got a dollop of mayonnaise here. I ordered this bacon chicken mayo thing off the safer menu, I think it was. Let's have a look. There we are. It was £2.39. The medium fries were £2.19. I larged up the chocolate shake. Oh my goodness, that was the dearest of the lot. £3.09 for a milkshake. So, McDonald's bacon mayo chicken. Because I've actually remembered their napkins. I'll give it a generous 3.9 out of 5. That's 3.9 for the chicken mayo from Marky D's. Now the chocolate shake. This is quite nice. Is it worth £3.09? Not in my opinion. But it's quite nice. It's more than quite nice. It's really good. The chocolate shake, I'll give a 4 out of 5. Now for William's choice of desserts. The Smartie McFlurry. Now, is that good helping the Smarties smashed up on one of these? Only you can drop a comment below and let me know if this is a good helping of the Smartie flavouring, or is it mean, or is it about average? I like to give it a mash up. You get a bit of the flavour on most bits. I'll have a couple of mouthfuls and then give it a score and wrap this up. do quite like the McDonald's ice cream. Plenty of Smarties in this bit. Smarties McFlurries, 4.4. Would I have the chicken mayo again? Quite possibly, but maybe when I'm in town and if I want something different other than the burger. The fries are the fries, just unseasoned. Chocolate shake, quite good, pleasantly surprised. And who doesn't like McDonald's ice cream? Not a bad choice overall, young William. Shout out to you and your dad and your mum. Thank you all very much for watching. Until the next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, press the bell for notifications, tell your friends, tell your family, tell that random stranger in the street. And if you're watching on TikTok, Insta, Facebook or any other social media, do please hop back over to YouTube, Mark Preston 9433. You know what to do, and remember it's absolutely free to subscribe. It will cost you nothing at all monetary-wise, just 1 or 2 seconds of your time. First, second, click subscribe. Second, click the bell for notifications. That is all. And if there's anything else you want me to try, do drop a comment below and let me know. So, thanks for watching. Bye!